Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to explore the new season. So what are we, the new season of Rocket League, of course. Because like any of the other games don't have season unless Fortnite, but I don't really play that anymore. And Minecraft is a game I literally play almost every day, and I think almost every day unless I'm on a vacation because I play on a PC. So, anyways, let's jump straight into a match and hope we win, boys. Oh my god, oh my god. Boom! That was a nice hit, boy. Okay, we're going up against Aludan, Galumye, and Sitlix. Oh, no, I forgot it started. No. Wait, I'm literally a potato. That means I'm literally so bad. Oh, that was actually nice. That one too. Oh my god. If I hit that into the goal, that would just be the best goal I've ever hit in a match. Oh, that was a nice save actually. Oh, nice bump. No. We are literally the luckiest people on Rocket League right now. Like, not kidding. We are literally so lucky. I'm usually, like, my rank is Platinum 1. But still, I literally am a potato. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so bad. Okay, let's buy this boost. Not buy, get. I'm sorry, I'm just a little bit grumpy today. I don't know why. Oh, I'm about to hit it. No, bruh. I usually am so good at matches. But today, I don't know what happened. Oh, yes. That was a nice one. Oh, that was a nice pinch. There we go. Boom. Okay, wait. There we go. No. Why? Please don't miss a shot. Oh my god, we almost scored. Why are we so unlucky now, but we are so lucky at the start? Now we're just getting pelted by them. Boom! No, I thought it would go mid. Oh my god, we literally are actually lucky. Holy shit, that was a nice shot. I'm just going to roast him. What a play! Just toxicity. Straight up toxicity. Oh no! Oh, I am so lucky I practiced like kickoffs on like training packs. And I also practiced speed flips, but that wasn't a speed flip. This is a speed flip. Wait, that wasn't. That was a speed flip right there. No! We were so lucky. And now we're so unlucky. I'm just going to tap. No! It was my bad, actually. Okay, anyways. Next round, boy. Boom. There we go. There we go. No, no, no. Yes. There we go. Nice, nice. Boom. That's a nice one. Nice. That, yes. Nice, nice. Nice. Oh my god, we almost scored. That's actually a nice shot though. Not gonna lie. Ooh. Oh my god, my teammates are so good. Oh no, 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 no. Please don't go towards our goal. Thank you. And I hope we can score this minute or else we're getting overtime. Holy shit, boys. I've actually been playing since season, I think season 1. Not the actual season 1, the season 1 before the season 2, with the Lamborghini car. I don't know, but I think I have the car and it's awesome. Wait, there we go. We get the boost. Oh, no, no, no. That was an accident. There we go. There we go. Nice. No, no, no. I don't like overtime. I usually lose every single time we get overtime. No. I think we lost now. Boom. Boom. No. Oh my god, he just stole my boost. He just straight up stole it. Oh my god, I am so good. Why the heck? Oh, we are literally the luckiest players on Rocket League right now. Oh, and now the unluckiest. Ooh, there we go. There we go. I know it's... Please, no. No. Oh, I don't know why I make that cringe noise, but we are literally so... that was literally so cringe, but still, that doesn't change the fact that I'm shocked about how lucky we are, and now we could have scored, but we didn't. Come on, come on, go! There we go. There we go. Nice. Boom. Oh, we almost scored. There you go. Do a nice pass. No, I was the one that screwed up this time. There we go. Nice, no. We almost scored. Oh my god, we are so lucky we saved that. Oh my god. Please. No, 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 no. Please, go quick. Yes. Oh my god, yes. Oh, we are literally so lucky. I can tell how lucky we are, but we are literally so lucky. Come on. Yes! Oh my god, with the finishing goal. Let's go. That was so clutch. Holy crap. That was so clutch. Oh my god. GG's. Oh my god, dude. We just hit the jackpot. Ooh. Okay, so that's it for the video. Wait, let me claim my reward. So guys, please subscribe. I just want you guys to subscribe. Turn on post notifications on. And like this video. And see you next time. Bye.